Ang buhay, ka-PSY, meet our new business partner and my business buddy here, Attorney Samuel Bautista. Ayan po ang law firm. Also isa sa pinakamalakas na law firm ng Mindoro. And good news po sa ngayon. Bakit? As my buddy, kasama ko po siya. Attorney, ano po ba masasabi nyo?
I'm Attorney Samuel Bautista from Calapan Oriental, Mindoro.
Okay.
I graduated from the University of the Philippines College of Law.
Wow.
And also I took special courses from the Harvard Law School
Wow.
in the United States of America.
Yeah.
I work with the biggest law office in the Philippines.
Yes.
Sisip Salazar, Luna Manalo and Feliciano Law Office.
Wow.
And I work with the biggest law office in California, Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher, for 3 years.
Yeah.
I practiced law.
IBP.
Yeah, I practiced law in the United States, in New York, for 25 years.
Wow.
And my classmate is Vice President Judge Marbinay and Senator Dick Gordon.
Wow.
I work with the best lawyers in New York.
And so many more, di ba?
Perfecto Rasa Jr. and also Senator Ernie Maceda.
Best friend pala ni Donald Trump.
President Trump is a personal friend of mine.
Wow.
Okay.
Corporate lawyer ni Manny Villar, tama ba?
I'm the corporate legal consultant of Manny Villar and Senator Cynthia Aguilar Villar.
Also with the NBI, director, right?
I'm now the lawyer of General Headquarters of NBI and also lawyer of
Grabe.
Coast Guard Auxiliary.
Opo. Kaya po wala po akong kaba mga ka-PSY kasi napakalakas po ng credential ng katabi ko. Anyway, napakarami pa. Ang masasabi lang po natin, attorney, we can do both.
Hataw!
Hataw na. Actually, grabe po. Punong-puno po kami ng bodega ngayon. Ganun po. Hataw na mga ka-PSY. Mga ka-PSY, bye-bye. Attorney Samuel Bautista.
Tekas, parang hindi lang ko eh. Pagkatapos nun, maganda na. Ngayon, twice a day na. Because of this. Hindi na ako ng gamot. Hindi ko na ng gamot ko. I was spending 20,000 pesos per month sa gamot. Ngayon hindi na ako. Save na ako doon, save na. Ngayon, yesterday na,